Hi there, hi, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle. The third puzzle is a binary puzzle. In this additional of today's newspaper on Tuesday. Yes, it's still Tuesday, January the 24th, 2023. I've already solved two puzzles: the 3-star Sudoku, the 4-star Sudoku. So two puzzles are left. The tectonic with 4 stars, in Dutch they call it cyber block. And this one, yes, you are interested in the binary because it's binary time. And this one will be number 5846. 5846. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Let me do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 16 printed digits. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Double one, here no, there no, double O, here one, there one, double O, here one, there one, double one, here no, there no. Okay. Between 2 O's comes an 1, between 2 ones comes an O, between 2 ones comes an O. Then, yeah. Then I need to think. Well. Need to think. Well, I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there. But I do not know in which order. So we have the first one, second one, third one, fourth one. So that box should be no. Double, here one, there one. Between the ones comes an O. Between the O's comes an 1. Between the ones comes an O. Between the O's comes an 1. Between the ones comes an O. Between the O's comes an 1. Here we have 1, 2, 3 ones. If I place number 4 here, then we have 3 O's in a row in this column. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this can be 1, this should be no. And we have here 3 O's. If I place number 4 here, then we have 3 ones in a row in this row. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this can be no, this should be a 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Then. Let me think. Well, we have here 4 O's overlooked. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the rest are ones. Double 1, here no, there no. And between the O's comes a 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. So the rest are O's. Between the O's comes a 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 3 O's we have here in this row. And I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first O, second O, third O, fourth O. So that box should be a 1 then. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. And now, this is interesting now. Now it's oh, we have 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Here we have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. I think it's time for comparing. Well. We have 1, 2, 3 columns. Complete the columns. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4 completed rows. This one I cannot compare. Need 2 more digits. How about this row? This row, and here we have 3. Okay, let me check for these 2. Oh, overlooked double 1 here. Wow, double 1 here, no there, no. Overlooked. Between 2 O's comes in 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes in 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Well, now we have 2 rows. Or 3 columns. Now I can compare. Yeah. 3. Alright. This one I cannot compare yet. We have here also 3. So I think these 3 columns then. Let me see. Do we have here double 1? Here we have a double 1. Not the same. Double 1. Here. This column and that column. Alright, empty box. 001111001100 empty box. So we need to switch these 2 digits. We have 1 here, this should be an O. We have O here, this should be a 1. Well, it's not helping me. It's not helping me with this one. Yeah, it's not helping me. Let me continue. Do we have a double O here? Here we have a double O. There, double O. Okay, here. Oh, not the same. How about this one? 10010. Yeah, this column and the last column. In that column. Empty box. 1100110011 empty box. So we need to switch these 2 digits. We have O here, this should be a 1. We have a 1 here, this should be an O then. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4 1s, so the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4. Correct. You need to compare twice. Well, I do not know if this is this one you need to compare, but it's not helping me for solving the rest of the puzzles. But I've solved with twice comparing. Yeah. Anyway, I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and yeah, we'll meet again in a minute with the last puzzle, the tectonic with 4 stars. So until then, bye bye for now.